Hi, this is Sam Seid coming from the U.S. Fertilizer desk here at Freight Investor Services, and I just wanted to give a quick rundown on the week's trade in the NOLA fertilizer markets. Starting off on the nitrogen side of things, with urea, we saw the Q3 values up about $15 to $443, $445, somewhere in there by Thursday afternoon. Q4 up maybe $20-25 to about $450. Early part of the week was more quiet. We saw more reactionary trade on international futures trading and activity. Wednesday, we saw the USDA come out with a very bullish final planted acreage number for the U.S. corn. Corn futures were limit up. Urea followed suit, finding a lot of strong buyer interest and not a lot in the way of sellers. On the UAN side of things, we saw the Q3 and Q4 values up about $30 to maybe $316, $318 respectively. A lot of that was due to the bullish acreage number supplied by the USDA on Wednesday. Also, finally saw the ITC announce that they will be investigating Russian and Trinidad UAN possible dumping activities into the U.S. That investigation should wrap up by August 23rd, so the market's going to be watching that very closely. And finally, onto the DAP, we saw the Q3 up just slightly to about $615, $617. Q4 values were up about $10 this week to around $605. Saw that curve flatten out a little bit, mostly due to that bullish acreage number. The thought there is that if we do see increased corn acres next year, we'll see an increasing demand for the phosphate fertilizers. That's all I've got this week for the NOLA fertilizer markets. If you have any questions on fertilizer derivatives, please shoot us an email at fertz@freightinvestor.com or visit our company homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. Thanks, and have a good rest of your week.